Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel and another clean with me. Today is going to be an after dark clean with me and we are going to be tackling just the main living area in my house. So we are going to start off here in the dining area. We had this little coloring sheet kind of acting as a tablecloth as we did have some friends over, so I wanted to go ahead and clear the dishes from supper and get this off so that I could clean underneath of it. And then near the end of the video here, we are going to be doing lots of laundry. So if you are in need of some cleaning and laundry motivation, you have definitely come to the right place. Today's video is actually going to be a real time clean with me, and so nothing is sped up except for the laundry motivation. And then there is some of the footage that I did a slow-mo. I thought it might be fun to kind of switch things up. Let me know down below what you prefer, if you do prefer that real-time clean or if you prefer like the speed cleaning. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here again with me today. I'm so grateful that you are here. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Brianne. Here on my channel, you're going to find a lot of lifestyle content with a focus on cleaning and homemaking motivation. I love sharing real life, relatable messes as a mom of 2 little girls and a homemaker. So if that is the kind of content that you enjoy, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. And also while you're at it, give this video a nice thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and lets me know that you like this kind of content. Moving on into the kitchen here, I'm gonna go ahead and just put dinner away and get my husband's evening, I was gonna say lunch, but it's actually supper as he was working nights on this day. And so I'm just putting 2 separate things, one for my lunch tomorrow and then one for his supper on this evening. I will actually link this chicken and rice recipe down below. It was fantastic and I would highly recommend it. So I, again, will have it linked below. I did not have the energy or time really to film my making that, but I did want to go ahead and still share the recipe.
Trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say.
So I did have to actually stop this midway to get my kids a little snack, even though we had just finished supper. So I did that and then I bathed them and then I came back. So that's why the lighting kind of looks a little bit different here. And then I will go ahead and get my light back out so it does get better now. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Thieves cleaner. I know it's kind of blurry, it wouldn't focus, and I didn't notice when I was filming, but I'm going to go ahead and use this to clear my countertops as well as my stove.
goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't want to do this anymore.
Let me know down below when you do most of your cleaning. Do you do most of it during the day, or do you do it in the evenings? I honestly very rarely clean in the evenings or after dark or whatever you want to call it, because I'm honestly so tired. I put my kids to bed and this is my time to just like mellow out every single day. So I usually do take off every single evening, but when my husband is away working night shifts, I do tend to be a lot more productive in the evenings and I get things done around the house.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be all.
Now that the kitchen is all clean, I'm gonna head back into the dining room and just give this table a nice wipe before going ahead and moving on into the bathroom.
You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
So I am starting off in the bathroom in my bathtub. As you kind of saw, there was those purple things on the bottom floor of the tub, and those were little crystals that was in the bath bombs that the girls and I had made. So I really just wanted to like push those down the drain. I thought that they would like dissipate in the water, but they didn't, so had to get rid of them and just put them down the drain before moving on and cleaning the rest of the bathroom here.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
So I used to have this sign in here before, but on the other side of it, it has some of my winter decor. So I wanted to go ahead and get that put back into the bathroom, and then we are going to go ahead and tackle some laundry. So go ahead, switch your laundry over if you haven't already. There is always laundry to do. Grab a basket and fold it with me. Let's tackle this mess together.
You don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. You here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Thank you so much for watching and being here with me today in this After Dark Clean with me. I hope that you guys got lots of nighttime cleaning and laundry motivation and that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Nothing like wine.